One powerful banner can turn a startup idea into instant investor attention within seconds if designed the right way. Today, how to design a startup promotion banner in Canva. In Canva, begin by selecting a 1920 by 1080 custom canvas, which gives you enough horizontal space to build a strong promotional layout for startup visibility. Set the background to a dark gradient such as black transitioning into deep purple, creating a tech-driven and innovative mood that immediately grabs attention. Go into Elements and search for glowing lines or abstract tech shapes, then place them strategically behind your content and reduce transparency for depth. Add your